welfare. But when a child is born out of wedlock, you can't go to the customary court. You go to the family court with the magistrate court. There are magistracy, all the states in Nigeria as it is, or you go to the high court to discuss the issue of custody. Then there are so many considerations. It's not just about taking financial care. The question is that, can you take care of an infant? Do you have what it takes? So all of these facts be placed before the courts to arrive at whether or not you can have the custody of that child.
Another person is asking about custody. Good afternoon, please. During divorce, who has the rights to take the children along, or does it have to be about the age of the children, or can the children choose who they want to be with according to their age? So legally, what age can a child say, okay, I would rather stay with my mom, I would rather stay with my dad? And if it's not in that situation, how does the court depict or choose with the jury that this person will be awarded custody of the kids? What are the preferred solutions or situations whereby you get awarded to have custody of the children?
First of all, the court will consider the best interest of the children, not even your emotions, sentiment as the couple. So, what is the best interest of the child? It will not be classified as a child and infant. Infant, generally by default, the court is inclined to give the custody to the mothers because of maternal bond. Infants would mean children under 10, let's say under 7. Yeah.
Okay.
The court will be naturally disposed to give them to the mother, except the other party can prove that the woman has a situation. Maybe she's a drunk, she parties a lot, she's on drugs, she's irresponsible with men, going out with different men. You don't want your children. You must prove them strongly with facts, and the court will consider the man. If not, infants are generally given to them on default. But then, when the children are not infants, the custody could be jointly ordered. You say, okay, take 50%, take 50, 40, or 60% custody, depending on the discretion of the court and the circumstance of the fact presented. Then, but when children are 18 and above, of course, they can decide who they want to stay with.
All right. As we wrap up, do you want to tell us any particular thing? There's something you feel like is important in this conversation as we wrap up? We've said a lot of things, but what are certain things, one or two things you want people to take home from this conversation today on separation and divorce?
Yes, divorce under the statutory law in Nigeria today protects women. So the insinuation that divorce only favors men is not the truth. Get a good lawyer, get professional advice, put your evidence and facts together. You cannot just say, he has been busy me, he did not provide. Take your time.